lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Claude Code on Windows 11 operating system. To download the software or get the command in Google search box, write there Claude Code, then go on this claude.com, this site. Then you have this option directly you can download for Windows from this, and this available for Mac or Linux. So if I scroll down, you can also use their terminal. So let's click on this terminal. There you can get this PowerShell command. So copying this PowerShell command. Now if I go into this command prompt, let's use the CLS. If I write pwsh minus minus person. So you can see this here, PowerShell 764 that install. Now thereafter, I'm going to use this command rm http or this. So here, we need to open this PowerShell. So PowerShell that already installed. So that here, I'm opening this, and rm command you can use inside the PowerShell. So this paste there on this PowerShell, and now press enter and wait for a few seconds. The magic will start happening, and for this one, net must be connected because this will do some download as well as install. This here setting up Cloudy, that's successful. This is the version and exe file. You can get this. Now we need to set the path. So if I copy this one and let's open there and pasting this. So you can see inside the bin here, Cloudy exe file is there. So this location you need to copy, and here first if I go there, if I write Cloudy minus minus the version. So here Cloudy version, and this you can get not recognized kind of message. So we need to set their path. So here we need to write this edit system environment variable open. Then go on this path, edit new until bin you need to paste there. Okay. Then opening go again PowerShell. Let's write there Cloudy minus minus version. You can see 2.133 that's come there. So if you write there Cloudy minus minus help, so you can get this all helping command that's isn't there. So you can see this all helping commands are there. So this is how we can do the installation of Claude Code inside the Windows operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next. Thank you.